Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up OpenRouter, which is a free API website which provides free API keys, and I will show you how to use this GLM. They actually have a desktop software similar to Cloud Codex. It's called as ZCode, and I will set up a free API key using OpenRouter and show you how you can use it for free and unlimited. By default, as you see, it's a paid software. It comes with a plan, $12 minimum you need to pay per month to actually use it. I've already installed it. You can simply download it. So if you go to Google, simply type zcode.download. So it's a very famous software which comes with very, you will see this download Zcode. It's available for Windows, Mac. It's a cross-platform software. So once you get installed, you will be seeing this interface. So now to set up this open router, you simply go to the manage models. Simply go to this and this window will open. And right here you will see this option add provider. So right here you add a custom API provider and you need to fill out these details. Name, base URL, API key, and I will show you how to get this. And you need to create a free account on OpenRouter, and it's totally free to create. Simply go to this website openrouter.ai. I've already have a existing Google account, so I will simply go to API key. So every new model which is released in the market, it's first of all released on OpenRouter. And you can go to API keys right here and you can totally create a free API key. It doesn't cost you anything on this website. Click on new key, just give it a name and click on create. This API key, simply copy this and right in this field API key, you simply paste it. And for the base URL, you will simply copy this https openrouter.ai/api/version1. So simply pause the video, just write this at the base URL https openrouter.ai/api/version1. You paste this API key and in the name section you can just say open router. You can give any name. So I'm just writing open router. And then we need to choose the model. Click this button add model and right here you need to write open router. So this needs to be same open router slash free because we are using the free models which are present in open router. So model ID will be open router slash free. So simply pause the video and simply write as it is open router. Spelling needs to be same open router slash free. After writing this, simply click save and click on this button add provider. So I simply add provider. This provider, as you see, has been successfully added. You will see this green light appearing. And after that, you go to workspace. And from here, automatically this open router will be selected. So open router slash free. So we are using the free models. And I simply send out a request. I simply say hi. And now as you will see, it will respond to us. It will communicate with the open router API and it will be fetching the best free models which are there on the website and it will respond to us. And as you will see right here guys, it responded to us, hello, how can I assist you today? And I can simply ask which model you are using. So to cross check, to confirm that it is using open router model, I ask this question right here as you see. Because if you go to the open router website and go to the model section, there are dozens of free models which are available. If you go to the search bar and type here free, so these are all the free models in the bracket free. These are all, so you can see the complete list. These are all free models as you see. So you can see that I'm powered by the model name open router. So right here you can, as you simply select, you can select a folder from here from your directory. So click on new folder and if you're working inside your directory you can create a new folder. and I select this folder ZCode projects. I selected this, so I will simply say build a image to PDF web app advanced app with all options with a unique UI. Create a index.html file. So I simply return a prompt right here. I want a image to PDF web app advanced tab with all options with a unique UI. Create a index.html file. So now you will see that it will create a fully fledged web application with all options, and it will create a index.html file. So in this easy way, you can set up this ZCode to use OpenRouter free models. So this is a complete setup video where I show you complete instructions on how to use this. So once it get completed, it will show you the file created. So you will see that I will now build a polished single page image to PDF web app. So once it completes, you will get a notification that your application has been created. So it's really fast, this ZCode. Sometimes you can get a message because it's using complete free models. So again, retry with the same prompt. So you will see that it will now create the application. The interface is quite simple in ZCode. To create a custom provider, you go to manage models, simply click add provider, and you simply add base URL API key. And in this easy way, you can use OpenRouter. So now as you see, the file is successfully created. It also has a live preview screen as well, where you can preview your applications directly by clicking the open button. So this will directly open the application in the preview. So in this easy way, guys, you can configure ZCode with OpenRouter to use free models.